Hey there, today I'll be showing you how to use the Threads app from Instagram. If you haven't already got it, well, here's how you can download. First, you need to go to App Store, then search for Threads. Make sure you get the name correctly, and then you have to click the install button so you can install the app. Once it's been installed, click open. Now you can sign in using your Instagram profile. So that's what I'm going to do here by tapping this button. By going to your profile, you can either choose to import your bio and everything from Instagram, or you can write it yourself. Well, I chose to import it from my Instagram, so this is the same as my Instagram profile. And if you wish to keep your profile public or private, you have the option here. So either everyone can see your profile, or if it is private, then only your followers and you can. And if you wish to follow the same people you follow on Instagram, you have to come here, click follow and invite friends, follow accounts from Instagram, and here you can follow all the people you follow on your Instagram account. You can tap the follow all button and it will follow all the accounts you follow on Instagram. In order to use the home feed on Threads app, you have to tap here on the home icon, and from there you can either like a post by tapping the heart button, just like on Instagram. You can reply to a thread, or you can repost it or quote it. Basically, quote means to repost, but also with your own unique comment. And apart from that, you can share a thread to Instagram story, post to feed, tweet, copy link, or share via other apps. Well, this is about home feed. If you tap on the search button, you will be taken to search page where you can search people you follow or pages you like. Here you can follow account and check their threads and replies. For example, I'm gonna click here. There you can see their threads and their replies. I can follow them. And if you wish to be notified whenever they post or reply to something, you can click on the bell icon and their notifications will be turned on. If you wish to create your own post, you have to tap here. There you can write something or attach a file, and if you click on anyone can reply button, you can select anyone profiles you follow, mentioned only. And to post that new thread, just tap on the post button. And just like that, here you have your first thread posted. Well, that's it for today's tutorial. Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. We'll be happy to hear your thoughts on the new Threads app.